And I saw you no quarrel so that repre 50-50 papa trying kakrana because a jumo wa said awayen. The talent that is in you and how far that talent has to travel in. Undo hope. Because dear Pochap, instead of convincing the artist to leave his or her label, why not team up with the label to take the artist to the next level? Into Makana Ramaziana Moon issues day.
DJ Paco Rich.
Hello, I was here on Friday. One Sunny dream, one training play champion at Ayunda, your God, Commander Fire, Uja. Yes, welcome to the channel. More Kwaba channel leader, what friend will fancy YouTube. Now, then Kwamaka cry your bezino, or your style be something which is there, or your kind of speculations be a yat. Now, Yimpano free side or a Western region artist originally one of Inti Sabi. Me yana bread opinion in Tafutuka Krebi or Hoida Mazamana, Namazaman Inti Alexander Free Abaka or ye man be your media streaming wa Odzimupa. A lot of people know him. Fantana, the management no Kamupa ye. Now opposite there, Lasmid has left highly spiritual music. Kweku will reveal. Now, rumors has it that the young chap wanted 50%, 50% split with the label. Now, Osanzo Trotter, let's see how he will survive with his own money and connect to invest into music business. Fifi Abaka, and also the master me too going to a boa. It's alleged no be mba from Kojina court. But in him Lasmid in Friday night yes, Lasmid in very talented, creative and well vocal blessed artist. Now him there after a reality show he's been working with Oye highly spiritual music Oye Kweku Oye Penina Odeyim. We've had a lot of people going through that label, Mr. Jew, Kale Songs, Yao Beck and all that, and I feel that Kweku has seen so much of a talent pass through his hands. Some goes away with a lot of controversies and all that. Inti any shada nyada for but akwam na ntremu abrantie de asamnebo tu gwana na meso no ma mumba mazana na mon konko check Kweku ne handles de menya signals bia o back asamana oye Alexandra Fifi Abaka odi tu gwan na mokwa no mkohu post bi o si dear Pochap, instead of convincing the artist to leave his or her label, why not team up with the label to take the artist to the next level? Into Makana Ramaziana Moon issues day and some more Lasmid. My Bowden and Pen Ibasa. I have been in this industry professionally since 2012 in Accra. Previous years in Amiwo, Western and Central region. But in Accra, and I've been in the industry since 2018. I have seen a lot of great artists come and go. Similar issues. But before you would go apart with Obia Oduebodum Pempendubin, sometimes I cast your mind back 3-4 years ago where you were and the kind of things you were yearning for. You won't coffee or one wasn't I've been waha. People should nurture talents, people should groom talents, people should go through all that building process. The way Bejina will which you were say wandering or mori on your shay and kay ye botuma ye made with them ye botuma yama kwa botuma yama kwa. Brother, I say ye no half foot to Namadabamo. We have seen a lot of people make this kind of decision. Yes, you have a talent, find talent that your talent should bring you money. But brother, Abutara, some of these labels, some of the things they go through, some of the investments they make, some of the connections they pull, you have no idea. I have been a DJ in the mainstream in Ghana for a very long time. Na minyum koma reason. You will DJs I will group labels, what payroll do I will in one that you know nothing about them, but they are pushing your agenda. They are playing your music videos. They are playing your songs and aze. And so, brother, Ubi back can some social media say a summer boy and nyabutar. Don't be in a rush to bite fingers that has fed you. In your care, one I want and quitting. So, what talents in you are highly spiritual, cannot do anything. But the mystery in there. Say, if it is somebody or you've been or watching or each other or bra, name eba may a day now more, may a day now more, Mazoba Fahamid, Oba Kwahamid, Oba Kwaha. Pocho, be saying panade. When nobody came in for you, when you needed somebody, Nang Bob bringing a big drum music career no more work when you and all him. My brother, kindly cast your mind back. First day, Kweku decided to work with you. Sikanyim brew away. It is not the best. Man kado do wafa. But nya zosha nyina no you gold. We have been through. We have worked with millionaires. We have worked with people who showed us money before. If you know move into labels, if you are signing label, deals, and Kawashe baby, I wanna would do one queen, dama. It would have helped them. I'm advising you as a younger brother. I'm advising you as a regional friend, Fantini. A future Amazabama wine, brother. Nyabotar. So bin orca semi gua suma. Fadjana to him. On yet too late. There are so many PR stands, PR ways to resolve these things. So your chop and order the penino also won't finish chawa. Do that. And I saw you no quite so that repre 50-50 Papa Krana. Because a jumo wa said awayen. The talent that is in you and how far that talent has to travel in. Undo hope for you to start fighting this kind of battles. Music or a financial thing. Sika kan mo ye. Talent kan and a spiritual bit of it. And connections and links. You have the talent. Do you have the links? Do you have the spiritual backing? And all other things to see you through this journey. If saying you bizarre brother, a foot I made them our Lasmid. Yeah, there. Think twice. If you think it's the best decision for you, the road is your front. Missing in DJ Park or Rich Higher Fancy YouTube. Let me know what you think about this news or circulate in the media space. Mazobe see here what BB photo comment section. I share video is movie and subscribe if you subscribe to this channel. Now come on over.